So the decision was made. We're gonna go for the Ford Escape 2009 at 7,000. It had an accident but was fixed. Still has some like ABS issues, so it will be old school braking. It brakes well, but it's old school. And we're gonna go to the notary. I have the cash. Whew, it's intense. Let's see how it goes. And my baby just arrived. I'm excited. That's the baby. Let's do this, bro.
Alright, just follow me, dude.
Sure. So, look how pretty. We're gonna finally drive a car. So we did, thanks, Sean. So we did it. We came here, we got the title, registered, and now I'm going to the BVM to register. Damn.
So we'll take this off.
Now we're gonna try the car for the first time. Look at that. Let's see.
It's a safety. Yeah, it's a safety.
Done, it's on. Now we're gonna ride. I know a plumber and I know I have a car, and you too. It's good, man. It's gonna work. It's okay, it's a shit box, but it's cool. It's our shit box. I did it. And we have brake lights.
Yeah.
Reverse.
I'm gonna put it in reverse.
Sure. Hell yeah, man, you're a genius.
Okay. So, good.
Man, you're a genius. That's my friend Ash, fixed. And this is Mars Auto Repair. They know everything about cars, man. You bring your car here, they are amazing. Ash is a genius. Man, you're a superhero, man. Get back there. That is our Ford Escape that we just got while I'm driving the car of my good friend Mike here. Thanks, Mike. So guess what? This is my first trip with my island car, island vibe car. Alan and I, we got this Ford Escape. I have all the lights possible on in the panel. Tomorrow I'm gonna go over the inspection. I fixed all the electrical system that was giving the lights like problems. We had no blinker or signal or whatever you call, no brake lights. Now we have everything. Maybe the tinted windows will create a problem, but it rides well. It's a V6, take a look. Damn, man, the engine is solid, guys. The engine, look at that. And no ABS. You need to brake with your feet and know what you're doing. And we have a big trunk, 5 seats, as you can see. Beautiful view. You cannot see the view because I'm too fast. But that's it. We have a Ford Escape, 150,000 miles. It is a recoup or like kind of rebuilt car, which means that we don't have insurance towards our own car. We have insurance towards others, but our car is not insured. If we break or we do any shit, we need to pay because it was a total loss. It was an auction. I don't give a damn because it drives awesome and it looks great outside. You saw the video. So it's totally fine for me. I'm happy. Alan is happy. This is kind of like 4 trips here, each one of us renting a car. We pay off return of investment on the car, and it feels so good to drive a car that kind of it's mine, but it's not registered yet, but it's mine, like, so whatever. I don't need to explain anyone besides the police what I'm doing, right? Or if something happens with the car, like rental car companies will do. And I only was able to do that because my friend Mike, that also is moving here, helped me. And he literally, he has a car, he has a big truck, Expedition Explorer. It's a big truck, like Ford truck. And he said, dude, if you need, just get it. He did not accept me paying him. He's just a sweet big heart there. He's an amazing guy, and that's the car. Look how cool. It's looking good, man. It's a pretty decent car. The engine is quiet. That was the pick. I need to fix the bumper a little bit, but guys, it's looking damn good for an island car. We have full AC. I'm not using the AC just to save gas and because the weather here is just marvelous. And yeah, I need to not do that kind of like speeding stuff. We need to drive slow, so this car will last like 100 years. That's it, guys. Updates here from March 2023, St. Croix, US Virgin Islands. We are building a shipping container home, tiny home, front beach in the Caribbean. Subscribe, enjoy the videos, learn how to do it yourself, all the challenges, all the victories, all the success, all the failures, because then you don't do it, and we're gonna explain. But we are having fun! Oh, by the way, one miracle. The engine light is not on and the transmission is perfect. The AC too, and the radio too. Which means this shit will run forever. It's the perfect island car. Ah!